Hi, I'm ChandraChud. I'm program manager at Alcatel Lucent with overall of 19 years of experience. I lead cross-functional team across different geographical location, and I run program from start until the closure of the program. So I'm always fascinated with the intersection of user needs, strategy, and the design of product. I always wanted to understand about the product lifecycle management as a whole. Plus, it's been there in the back of my mind to concept idea, to ideate, and to kickstart idea from scratch, execute it, and then take it until the closure of it. When I say closure, till the market. So that is the key reason for me to delve into product management. And I also was looking for some platform which may give me opportunity to do hands-on. Yeah, that is one of the reason I'm in the product management. When I was searching for product management learning platform in the market, I could pick few. Specifically, I was looking for something which would give me a hands-on experience to get down and do it yourself kind of experience. So you will be given opportunity to right from the starting ideate, then do a market research, a market analysis, and then do competitor analysis, then connect with folks within your community, outside your community, to understand the program or the product. So I found that IPL is one of its kind which gives this kind of opportunity to learn by doing. So that is one of the reason. And plus, you have wide range of industry veterans with whom you can connect and enrich your knowledge. The connection also was one of the requirement that I wanted, which I got through IPL alumni. For aspiring product managers, product leaders, I would say have a strong foundation. So build it from the scratch and make sure that you do your hands dirty, meaning do it yourself, learn, experience it, do research, analyze, utilize lab kind of incubation programs. For instance, IPL has product labs, which is unique in its kind, and it's the best opportunity for any aspiring product leader to utilize it, because you get a lot of exposure, experience in that. The last one is make sure that you connect more with the outside world, with leaders across the industry, with product leaders, and you get that kind of a platform with IPL alumni. So make use of it to the fullest.